Do you see in Nadine na feeling mo she's a girlfriend material? What do you see in James?
What makes her girlfriend material?
Yeah.
She's a good listener. Yeah, she's a very good listener.
Ay, ang galing ko rin makinig. Naman ka So when a girl listens a lot to you, material,
Yeah, she cares about what I say, and she helps me out. So that's, for me, that's a big part of being, girlfriend.
Nat, on,
Ako naman for me, well, pagkasama ko po kasi si James, parang palaging masaya. Lalo na pag like, yung mga madaling araw na medyo baliw na siya. Like, nagjo-jokes na siya or...
oh, hindi namin nakikita yun.
Ganun siya, ganun
Share
siya.
ngayon
Surprise
din.
sa
Yes,
madaling
yun lang
araw. Ganun siya.
Sayo na na.
Tapos, he has great timing. Like, when I have like problems, tapos malungkot ako or something, parang nagpapatawa siya. Or, I don't think he knows naman. Pag down ako, wala lang, parang on time lang siya.
And last, ano daw yung... let lang yun. Ano daw yung intriga?
Ha? Wala.
Iniintriga ng mga JJ
No, it's nothing. Wala lang.
It's a ring, it's just a ring. So wala, ring
Wala,
lang.
wala. Ano lang siya? Wala lang. Accessory lang.
Ah, okay.
Doesn't mean
Walang may
anything.
nagbigay.
Wala po. I bought it.
Ah,
I have a question for Julia.